We are pleased to show you the 2023 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, panorama sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is so much more than a used car. It's built by a company famous for engineering triumphs, racing heritage, and its commitment to luxury, quality, reliability, and safety. Ask your dealer for details about the Mercedes-Benz Certified Pre-Owned program.